Welcome to My Bharat, the national youth-centric platform dedicated to empowering the youth of our nation. My Bharat, an initiative of the Department of Youth Affairs, Government of India, is your gateway to access unlimited opportunities and unlock your true potential. This video is a step-by-step guide on how to set up your My Bharat Public Profile as a youth. To set up your My Bharat Public Profile, visit mybharat.gov.in and click the Sign In button on the homepage. Enter your registered mobile number or email ID. Take the Terms of Use checkbox and click on Sign In to get the OTP. Enter the OTP and click on Sign In once again. Now you will be taken to your public profile page. Click on the edit icon in the About section to add a brief description of yourself. Click on the green tick icon to save the changes. In the Basic Info tab, enter your personal details such as gender, date of birth, blood group, COVID vaccination status, address, etc. Next, scroll down and select your area of interest. Enter details of your educational qualification. Add the sports you are interested in. Select the languages you are familiar with. Add a professional summary and select the skills you have. Now enter details of your work experience. Also, select the tools you are familiar with. Enter your social links and upload a professional introduction video. Finally, turn on the slider to make your profile publicly visible. And you're all set. Your My Bharat Public Profile is now live. Please note that you can change the language of the My Bharat portal by clicking on the globe icon and selecting the language of your choice. Thank you for joining the My Bharat movement. Together, let's create a brighter future for India. Stay connected with us via social media for exciting updates, events, and opportunities that can shape your future.